What if the burger you eat in 2050 was never cooked, never farmed, and never touched by human hands? Imagine walking into your kitchen, pressing a button, and watching dinner appear layer by layer from a machine. Sounds impossible? The shocking part is it's already happening. Right now, scientists and food companies are printing pizzas, steaks, desserts, and even plant-based meat using advanced 3D printers. But here's the real question. If food can be printed anywhere, anytime, what happens to farms, restaurants, and traditional cooking? Today, 3D printed food is mostly an experiment. Tomorrow, it could become a necessity. As the world's population approaches 10 billion people, feeding everyone may become one of humanity's greatest challenges. Could food printers become the solution? Imagine downloading a recipe the same way you download a movie. One click, a printer instantly creates a perfectly balanced meal customized for your body. More protein, less sugar, exact nutrients, no waste, no guesswork. But this is where things get strange. Future food may not come from animals at all. Scientists are developing edible materials made from plants, algae, fungi, and lab-grown ingredients specifically designed for printing. Could future generations see traditional farming the same way we see horse-drawn carriages today? Now imagine astronauts living on Mars. Transporting fresh food across millions of kilometers would be expensive and difficult. Instead, food cartridges could be shipped and meals printed on demand. The first fully printed dinner that changes history might not happen on Earth, but on another planet. And then comes the shocking twist. Artificial intelligence could design meals better than human chefs. An AI analyzes your health data, sleep patterns, fitness goals, allergies, and even your mood. Then it creates the perfect meal for that exact moment. No chef in history has ever had that much information. But would people actually want this? Food isn't just fuel, it's culture, it's family, it's tradition, it's memories shared around a table. Would a printed version of your grandmother's favorite recipe still feel special? Or would something important be lost? Some experts believe printed food could dramatically reduce waste. Instead of throwing away unused ingredients, printers use precise amounts. Less waste, less transportation, less environmental damage. The food industry could become cleaner and more efficient than ever before. Yet there's another possibility. What if real food becomes a luxury? Imagine paying premium prices for traditionally grown vegetables and farm-raised meat while most people rely on printed alternatives. Would natural food become a status symbol? Now picture the year 2050. A child asks, "People actually cooked every day?" Just like we laugh at outdated technologies today, future generations might find kitchens full of pots and pans completely old-fashioned. Or maybe the opposite happens. Maybe people reject printed meals and return to traditional cooking. After all, technology can change how we live. But can it change what makes food meaningful? By 2050, 3D printed food could be everywhere, in homes, in schools, on airplanes, on cruise ships, even on Mars. The real question isn't whether the technology will exist. The real question is, would you eat a meal printed by a machine?